Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new into this channel, my name is Sonia. Guys, hope you are doing well, you are doing great. And how are you holding up into this lockdown situation? Into this video, I will be showing you how I glam this beautiful client of mine, and we are in a kind of multicolor situation vibe. So yeah guys, if you haven't subscribed into this channel, kindly subscribe. Let's grow this community together. Subscribe to your channel, to my channel, and remember to press the notification bell so when you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without no further ado, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, I will be starting by cleaning her face. Wipe all her brows because she has a brow before coming to me. So I'm gonna clean her face. So guys, and I've done a braid before we jump into the face. So if you like to see how I've achieved a chunky box braid, there I'm going to add a card into this video. You can just press on the link up on the card up in the box where you'll be able to see how I've achieved a hair before we did the face. So guys, all the products I've used in this video will be linked in the it will be linked in the description box below. I need to talk slowly so I don't have to swallow all my words. Okay guys, yeah, I'm on to the face now. I hope you guys can see all the products I'm using, and I'm gonna put their names down on the description box. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell. Okay guys, let's build this community together. Let's build this channel together, because I can't do it without you guys, without your support. Okay guys, okay, keep on enjoying, and you hope you learn some 1 or 2 tips into this video. Okay guys, the method I'm using to apply a eyeshadow is because I prefer doing both eyes at the same time, so I can get even color on both eyes, than me doing one eyes before, especially when I'm dealing with colors like this on a bold look. I prefer working with both eyes at a time instead of working on one eyes before another eyes. I know some people can get away by doing one eyes first before doing the second eyes, but at the end of the day, when I do it that way, I realize one part is more pigmented to another part. So I prefer working on the same eyes, on both eyes at the same time, so I can have even color on both eyes. Hope that makes sense, guys. Okay guys, I think I'm reaching the end of this video of this look now. So guys, what do you think about this look? What do you think about the whole application process? I want you guys to comment down below. Just let me know your thoughts, your comments, because with your comments it helps me improve on my next content. And let me know which type of content you want me to be creating on my channel. And yeah, and I will see you on the other side. You might as well want to click my next video, click on the next video, and I'll see you on the other side. Stay blessed.